Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this Cozy Storybook Creator review. So right now we are on the sales page and it says attention KDP and its C sellers. So before we talk about everything, if you want to get to the sales page, then you'll have to find the link below my YouTube video. So somewhere it will be saying at the top that grab Cozy Storybook Creator copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Okay. As of today, when I'm recording the video, the links are not approved yet. And this is launching on 6th of June. Okay. So keep checking below my YouTube video. If it says grab Cozy Storybook copy here, click on that link and then grab your copy and get the bonuses as well. If you don't find the link, that means the links were not approved. Okay, and then in that case you can check my products. Right here it says check out all my Warrior Plus products, and so far I have got 2 only, but I'm going to launch many AI products in the times to come. Okay, my AI review to profit AI product is coming on 5th of June. If you want, you can go and check out the sales page for review to profit AI, how it can help you to generate some review campaigns. Okay, so go and check that out. And if you want Cozy Storybook, then check out the link. If it is approved, it will be there. If it is not, then you'll have to maybe just buy my review to profit AI or just watch the video till the end to figure out. So let's see what this is all about. It's about generating the storybook creator. So you have to generate these kind of images. You could say there is one funny fact about this. We keep calling them coloring books, okay? But the funny fact, it's funny to me, which is that when we generate these images, they're black and white. they are not color. They are not colorful, okay? They become colorful only after your kids color them, right? So we keep calling them coloring books, coloring pages, but the reality is when you generate them, they're black and white. Okay, that's the funny fact for me. Anyways, coming back to the topic here, it says how to turn one simple story idea into a complete cozy coloring book with matching cover, title, description, and SEO, all done for you in under 10 minutes. And so let's see how will this be done. Introducing Cozy Storybook Creator. So let's talk about the core here. Within 10 minutes, you will have a complete book ready to publish on KDP. So you don't write prompts, you don't research markets, you don't fight inconsistency. You just tell it one simple story, for example, 2 to 5 sentences. So you tell a story here like this, and then click 3 buttons: page, count, audience, and in 10 minutes you will have everything ready as per their claim. Okay, so how this works: tell your story, right? Use the 150 done for you stories included in bonus, they have it. Get your complete package, receive your KDP metadata. So if you are familiar with Amazon KDP, how to publish ebooks there, then you would know all this. And then paste and publish. So copy each prompt into ChatGPT image to generate your line art pages. Use the included KDP, blah and blah. Okay. So if you are into this niche of KDP or Etsy selling these coloring books, then you know what all that means. Okay. What makes Cozy Storybook Creator different? Well, you have to go and read everything here. Right. See real coloring book example. So you see what I meant earlier, that when we generate these images, they are black and white, but we keep calling them coloring images, coloring images. But eventually when you color them, then they become coloring images. Okay. So that's this one for me. Okay. Well, don't forget, they're very beautiful. Look at these images. They look very beautiful, generated by the software, I guess, Cozy Storybook Creator. Okay. So go and grab your copy once you find the link below my video. Okay. Again, very beautiful images. Okay. It's very, very beautiful. I don't have to lie. It's really beautiful. Even on black and white. Okay. Even if you don't color them, they look so marvelous, so gorgeous, even in black and white. Okay. The old way versus the cozy way. You can go and read everything here. So they're talking about publish these books on Amazon KDP and make money with it. Well, making money, I don't know, but you can definitely make coloring pages with that, or coloring images. So Cozy Storybook Creator is perfect for you if you are one of these, okay, or you want to do all of one of these things. So you can sell it on Etsy or Amazon, and this is done for you. So we know how this works now. So you have these bonuses, which you can obviously check in your free time. When you come to the sales page, go and read everything about the bonuses which you're going to get. The starting price is $15, and this will change to $27. Okay, so don't wait. They have mentioned somewhere on the sales page, I forgot where, but this is going to increase to $27. For now, it's $15. So go and grab as soon this is launched on 6th of June from my link below, if you find the link below. Otherwise, just go and buy my other software like Review Profit AI something. Okay. So question answers here. Do I need ChatGPT Plus to use this? Yes, you need the upgraded version, because it is for people who want to do as a business. For example, you only want to generate 4 or 5 images per day, then you can do that, I think, using the free ChatGPT. Okay, I think free ChatGPT allows you to like generate 5 images per day. You can easily do that. But when you will be running it as a business on Amazon and Etsy, then you will need to publish the whole book, and you will need more images every single day, I guess. Okay, in that case, you will have to go and use the paid version of the ChatGPT. All right, but for trial purposes only, I think you can still use it in free version of ChatGPT. How long does it take to make one book? Yeah, they say 2 hours, I guess, 1 to 2 hours after you follow the training. Will it work with Midjourney or Leonardo? Yes. What if I am complete beginner? That's fine. Are the coloring pages I create truly KDP ready? Yes, they are. What's the refund policy? 30-day money back guarantee. So you see here, they're gonna change it, increase it to $27. I told you earlier already. So go and grab this, and I guess that's all. Okay, so you go and get the bonuses as well. And let's talk about the OTOs here before we wind this up. So OTO, or the front end, will be $15 when the launch is ready. Then OTU 1 is $27, some holiday edition. Then OTU 2 is Cozy Storybook Creator Pro version, $37. OTU 3 is $67. OTU 4 is $67. OTU 5 is $87. Go pick and choose, and whatever you want to buy. Otherwise, leave it for later, I guess. Okay. So Cozy Storybook Creator, go and grab from my link. Again, I am doing the early review. So for now, my links are not approved, but in the future, on 6th of June, if you find the link below my video, go and grab it. If you don't find the link below, then that means links are not approved. Okay. And then if you want to check out my own products on Warrior Plus, click on this link, come to this page. You can check out this review to Profit AI, which is a good product, launching on 5th of June. Okay, launching on 5th of June, not right now. And what else now? So go ahead. Let's go ahead and talk about the methods which I use in real time in my real life to make money on the internet. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is Forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try Forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay. So second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis. So your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.